Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Latch Icebox Door part #WR11X10031. GE Latch Icebox Door part #WR11X10031 is a replacement part for GE refrigerator doors. It is a latch assembly that attaches to the refrigerator door and holds it closed. The latch assembly includes the latch, strike, and screws. The latch is made of plastic and has two prongs that fit into the strike on the refrigerator frame. The strike is also made of plastic and has two holes for the prongs to fit into. The screws are used to secure the latch to the door. This part is compatible with many GE refrigerators, including models GSH25 JSTA, GSH25 JSDB, GSH2. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a broken or damaged latch on an icebox door. It can fix symptoms such as the door not staying closed, the latch not engaging properly, or the latch being difficult to open. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that hold the door handle in place and remove the handle. 3. Remove the screws that hold the old latch in place and remove it from the door. 4. Place the new latch into position on the door and secure it with screws. 5. Reattach the door handle and secure it with screws. 6. Plug in your refrigerator and test to make sure that your new latch is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.